Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to talk about a product that's been a game changer for me and my partner. Snortium, the ultimate solution to snoring problems. Snoring can be a serious issue that affects not just your sleep, but also your overall well-being and relationships. But with Snortium, you can finally get the restful and rejuvenating sleep you deserve. The device uses advanced sensors to accurately detect snoring, and then applies targeted vibrations to the hypoglossal nerve and jaw muscles to reduce snoring and improve breathing. And let me tell you, it really works. Since using Snortium, I've noticed a significant reduction in my partner's snoring, which means we both wake up feeling more refreshed and energized. Plus, the device is lightweight, easy to wear, and comes with a convenient charging case. If you're interested in trying Snortium for yourself, make sure to click the link in the description below to get your hands on one. And while you're at it, why not subscribe to my channel? That way, you'll never miss a review of the latest and greatest products that can help you live your best life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.